Why I think future intelligence is important is that we're entering this period of human history, in my view, where we're dealing with a converging set of forces that are going to reshape our lives and our existence.
How do we prepare future generations for the changes that are coming over the hill? How do we equip people with the knowledge and the expertise that will help them deal with that future? And I think the beauty of it in some ways that it's not about being reactive. It's about thinking ahead. It's about scenario planning. What if this is the way society goes? What if the future of urban living is going to look like this? How do we accommodate ourselves practically and philosophically and indeed probably emotionally to these changes?
I think when we talk about future intelligence, we should actually define what we mean by this. I believe that acting in an intelligent way means realizing what are the challenges, what are the predominant trends, but also conceiving them as an opportunity at the same time. So searching for solutions, not to make the best out of it, but to make the most out of it. Not just to overcome a problematic situation, but to create new opportunities for the future.
Well, to have future intelligence on urbanisation is particularly important. Rapid urbanisation brings such rapid changes to cities and to the city's connections with other cities, other regions, other nations. And we really need to anticipate what's going to happen and what will happen.
This is a critical time where, in the next few years, society is going to shift, and it's going to shift fast, right? And I think it's going to usher in an era of new innovation, and that's going to be then led and driven by a cohort of the population who has a whole different relationship to technology and how to communicate, how to organise, how groups and communities come together and react to topics.
I think the future, as we see it at the moment, is not linear, and that is a part of a problem. So we tend to forecast the future based on our experience of the past, but the experience of the past was at a much slower pace. So the future will develop exponential, and therefore we need also a new openness and a new way how we predict the future. If we just try to do this in a linear way, we will fail. So we need to think out of the box and be very open and embrace new technologies and new partnerships. I think that is the key to better understand the future and to prepare the future.
In the end, acting intelligently for the future is something that is very important for each and every generation, and it means being active, and it means transforming your city all by yourselves.
So I think the concept of future intelligence is being able to think about what these emergent trends are, what they might mean, what do I need to take account of, what I need to be watching for, and how do I plan my forward pathway taking into account this changing world.